Alright guys, back for more, or here for another unboxing for Ultraman Zero, the Chronicle Blu-Ray set, the complete series. So on the front, you got the characters right there, the Ultraman Zero, the Chronicle English logo, Ultraman complete series, Blu-ray disc, and all that. So then we got the side right here, Blu-ray disc, complete series and all that. Mill Creek Entertainment 4-disc set. So yeah. So then the other side with the same shit. And then the back. The time for Ultraman Zero to face his destiny and duty has come. So we got Ultraman Zero right there. Go ahead, let's go. A description of the series. Video 1080p HD widescreen. Audio Japanese DTS HD Master 2.0 stereo. English dubs of Zero, The Revenge of Belial, Ultraman Saga, subtitles in English, approximate runtime 10 hours 51 minutes, in color, Region A, Indigo, Super Raya, and all of that. And we got the Blu-ray case, which has different artwork than the slipcover. It's actually pretty nice. So we got the discs, and these are stacked, unfortunately. So disc 1, they have about 8 episodes each, or so. Disc 2, disc 3, and disc 4. And on the inside here, Ultraman Zero with the English logo right there. So yeah. Oh my god. Alright. So, not really much else to say. So, links in the description, all my shit, subscribe for once, and I'll see you guys in the next one.